Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Infusionsoft, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type infusionsoft.com in the address bar. Press enter on your keyboard. On the Infusionsoft homepage, locate the login button. Click on the login button at the top right corner. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first field. Make sure to use the email linked to your Infusionsoft account. In the next field, enter your password. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your information. You should now be logged into your Infusionsoft dashboard. Explore the various features available to you. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials. Consider clearing your browser's cache if problems persist. Now you are ready to start using Infusionsoft effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.